In this quick guide, we're going to break down how to use Proof for lead magnets. If you're looking to boost conversions and capture leads more effectively, you're in the right place. Proof is a conversion tool designed to increase trust and urgency on your website by showing social proof. Essentially, it creates a sense of activity and buzz that encourages visitors to take action. This is powerful for lead magnets, which are typically offered in exchange for a visitor's contact information. When setting up Proof for lead magnets, the first thing you'll want to do is choose the right trigger. Proof works by showing real-time notifications on your site, such as 10 people signed up in the last 24 hours, or X number of people are currently looking at this offer. This can be a game changer when you're trying to convince potential leads that your lead magnet is popular and in demand. It creates the feeling of scarcity and urgency that pushes visitors to act right now. Once you have Proof installed, integrate it with your lead magnet page. Whether you're offering an ebook, checklist, or webinar sign-up, Proof's notifications should reflect activity relevant to that specific lead magnet. For example, you could show that 50 people have downloaded this free guide today, which naturally triggers curiosity and encourages more signups. But how do you really use this data to your advantage? Start by tailoring your Proof settings based on your audience. Proof allows you to segment notifications based on user behavior. So if someone is spending more time on a page or clicking around, you can show them specific Proof that's likely to push them over the edge. This personalization increases the chances they'll sign up. A big part of this is timing. For example, if a visitor spends 30 seconds or more on your page, it's a good idea to trigger a social proof notification. It's like saying, hey, others are finding this valuable, and you should too. But don't overdo it. Showing proof too early can feel too aggressive. You want to strike the right balance between intrigue and trust building. Another way to increase the effectiveness of Proof for lead magnets is by showing real-time actions from people in your target demographic. For instance, showing Mark from New York just signed up can be much more compelling than generic statements. The goal here is to make visitors feel like others, just like them, are actively engaging with your content and benefiting from your lead magnet. At this point, you're probably wondering how this affects your conversion rates. The beauty of Proof is that it creates a psychological impact. Social proof is a proven method for boosting trust, and as people see others engaging with your offer, they're much more likely to take action themselves. Now, here's a bonus tip. Proof also allows you to test different notifications and messages. This means you can A/B test your social proof to figure out which one resonates the most with your audience. Whether it's the wording, the timing, or the type of activity you show, this testing can help refine your strategy over time. By integrating Proof with your lead magnets, you're leveraging social proof to increase the urgency and perceived value of what you're offering. It's a simple yet effective tool to boost conversions on your site and turn more visitors into leads. Remember, the best part is that you can try Proof completely free with our exclusive offer linked below. Get access to the full features, including extended trial options, to see how it can improve your lead magnet game. In summary, if you want to boost your lead magnet conversions, using Proof can make a significant difference. It builds trust, creates urgency, and personalizes the experience for your visitors, all of which encourage higher engagement and more signups.